Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can become a pumpkin in Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this. So select the apple and you're just going to color it in orange, and you are also going to grab the coconut and you're going to color both orange. Well, all of it orange, sorry. For this one, select hold for the toggle, and for the apple, you're going to do the rods into the core. I forgot to mention that. Then you are going to go here, you're going to select this bag, and then you're going to color that orange. Select type 2. Select the umbrella, select shoulder, and color it in orange as well. Then you're going to grab this dress here, change it to matte, and color that green. Then we are going to use this bag and we're going to color that orange too. Even though you can't really see it, but we are going to do it anyways. Don't toggle it, and we will need the upside pose from the crazy pose pack, I think. Yes. And that is how you can become a pumpkin in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.